Hi, my name is Samuel, but everyone calls me Sam. I just turned 11 years old. I'm in grade 5 at Fleming Elementary School. I live in Sept-Îles, Quebec, by the beautiful St. Lawrence River. My family are the most important people in my life. They do so much for me. My dad, my mom, my sister Evan, and, of course, my dog Finley make me feel loved, happy, and safe. I also feel loved from my grandmother, aka Dada, and from my aunts, Kelly and Steffi. I love who I am. I love my family, and I love my life. Another thing that is important to me are my friends. I love all my friends, but especially Lexi and Romy. My friends make me feel important and loved. They accept me for who I am. I feel good when I'm with them. My family makes me feel like I belong because they are very supportive and make me feel happy. It can be extra challenging for me sometimes because I have dyslexia, but they are very patient and my biggest cheerleaders. I'm very thankful for everything they do for me. My ears are also a big part of me because I have had a lot of operations. Since the age of 1, I have had 7 operations. My last operation was just a week ago. I was scared, but I never let my fears stop me. My ears make me feel different but special too. When I was younger, I found it hard to express myself, but now that I'm older and hear better, I can finally express how I feel, and it feels good to be heard. Because of my ears and dyslexia, I have learned to work very hard and always persevere. I know that because of that, I will go far in life. I am proud of every challenge that I have. Your disabilities do not make you different in life. They just make you stronger and work harder for what you want. When I set my mind to do something, I'm determined and I know I can do anything. My friends make me feel like I belong because they make me feel included. Lexi and Romy have been my friends for years. I love exploring and imagining together. Another thing that makes me feel like I belong are different sports that I enjoy doing. I love to snowboard because it makes me feel free. I also love doing activities on the water because it makes me feel calm and happy. Kayaking, paddleboarding, surfing, beach walks, and boating are some of my favorite activities. Because of my challenges in life, I think it is extra important that I make other people feel like they belong as much as I feel I do. Whatever challenges we have in life, we should never be judged or judge others. Everyone likes hearing kind things, and when we are kind to others, kindness comes back to you. I try to make other people feel like they belong by just listening more to them because it always feels good to be heard. I know that it makes me feel important when I'm heard. When I grow up, I'm thinking of becoming a psychologist because everyone needs someone trusting to talk to and to share their feelings. I make others feel like they belong by being kind and inviting others to my friend group when they look lonely. Nobody should feel alone in this world. I know how that can feel sometimes. We have to treat others how we want to be treated. Sometimes even a simple smile can make someone's happiness soar. I wish everyone can feel that sense of belonging like I do.